My name is Tiegen Kosiak. I'm an independent producer based in Los Angeles. I started in literary management and Untitled Entertainment, and then I went on to run Zoe Saldana's production company under her deal with Lionsgate. Since then, I'm producing my own content. Most recently, I'm working on a feature with a writer-director that, fingers crossed, will get some funding from Sony and have a all-Latino cast, minus the lead, who is female, so hooray. Diversity and ladies. And then I'm also working on a short. I believe in read everything you can, watch everything you can, write everything you can, and then meet everyone you can. So the idea is just to constantly be churning over opportunity, to be aware of your industry and what you write and how you market it, and then finding those correct people to market it to. And also, as I said earlier in the panel, network authentically, not aggressively. Oh, hi, Stage 32. So actually, they have a video of me doing this, but I found my feature project on Stage 32. So after years of doing pitches, and certainly I've read some good things, I now am working on a feature that's into Sony with my Latin cast, and so thank you, Stage 32. And also, I love the idea that they give an opportunity to people outside of Hollywood to feel a little Hollywood energy and to have access that it takes a lot of us a lot of years to find. So I like that they're helping folks bridge their network. Hi, I'm Tiegen. I'm a producer, and I am Stage 32.